Hey everybody, thank you very much for joining. Today's lesson is Johnny Was by Bob Marley. Great song, sad song, but excellent song. Great chord progression, a lot of bar chords to go through. So we'll go through those chords and a quick little riff in there as well. As always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and let's hop in. Alright, so for Johnny Was, let's start with the intro and the strumming pattern. So we've got a D, C sharp minor 7, E, B minor 7, D, C sharp minor 7 again, F sharp minor. Alright, so let me play through that here. Alright, so once we get this intro down, you will have the chords that you need for the entire song. Well, outside of an A. There's an A that we're missing there. So let's start with the strumming pattern here. So on this D, it's a down, up, down, up, down, 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 down. Okay? So the C sharp minor 7 here, we're going to bar the 4th fret, got your middle finger on the 5th fret of the B, and ring finger is on the 6th fret of the D. So that's our C sharp minor. And then from there to make an E very easily, we would just put our pinky finger on the 7th fret of the A. So now you've got an A there. It's pretty awesome. I'm sorry, not A. You have an E there. From there you got your B minor 7, so that's just barring the 7th fret, ring finger on the 9th fret of the A. I'm going to come back to a D here, so we're doing a bar chord D, so just barring the 5th fret and the 7th fret. And you go back to your C sharp minor, and then your F sharp minor. So let me go through that again slowly here. So when we get to that F sharp minor, I'm playing it the way that I hear it in the song, which I think the keyboard might be doing this little riff here. But so instead of just playing the F sharp minor, I'm hitting the open E string, and then I'm strumming the chord. So open, open. And that F sharp minor is, you're barring the 2nd fret there. You've got ring finger on the 4th of the A and pinky on the 4th of the D. So. Alright, so that's that, and then the little riff here. And so for the riff here, so we're starting on the B string, 2nd fret, then we're going to the 4th fret of the G, 2nd fret of the G, and then 4th fret of the D. So it's alright. So let's put all that together real quick here for the intro. And the verse starts on that F sharp minor. It's 2 measures on that F sharp minor. You have your D, and you're going right back to the intro basically. And the only other piece to the song, we've got the bridge, and that starts on an A. So we're going from an A to B minor 7, C sharp minor 7, B minor 7. To your F sharp minor for the interlude. Alright, and then that'll lead you right back into your verse. That's the intro, the verse and chorus for Johnny Was. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave any feedback, comments below, and we'll see you again soon.